Okay. It says, you can think about multiplication as joining equal groups. Draw 3 groups of 5 stars. So the groups are already drawn for you. How many? We're not doing stars, we're going to do X's. How many X's do I put inside? 5. Did you already? Wow. Okay, then underneath it says write a multiplication equation to find the total number of stars. The total. So how many X's did we draw in all? 15. And I started with 3 groups, so 3, and there's a multiplication symbol there. 3 times 5 is 15.
I feel like this is review.
It is review. Yeah. Okay. You can also think about multiplication as a way to compare 2 numbers. Draw a group of 5 stars in each box on the left. Just do X's. Let's draw 5 X's in the first group. And the second group has 3 times. Whenever it has T-I-M-E-S, that's just the same thing as using a multiplication symbol. 3 times as many. So now you're going to draw how many stars in each one of those boxes? 5. X's in each box. Stay with math. Okay. Use the model to complete this sentence and the multiplication equation 3 times. Can you see up here? It says T-I-M-E-S. That's the same thing as an X. So I'm just going to scribble that out and put a multiplication symbol there. 3 times 5 is what, Hadley?
3 times 5 is
15. 15. The word is the same thing as the equal sign. 3. I already said that T-I-M-E-S is a multiplication symbol. 5. Okay, so we wrote that equation. Turn the pages to the 3. When you multiply, the order of the factors does not matter. Draw a group of 3 stars in the first box. So draw 3 X's in the first box. And it says next to that one has 5 as many. So I'm going to put 3 X's in each box. Because it has one box with 3 X's in it. And next door the model has 5 times as many. And when it says times, that's the same thing as 5x. Okay, so how many x's do we draw in all right here? So I say 15. The word is the same thing as an equal sign. 15 is 5. T-I-M-E-S is a multiplication symbol. As many as, and I put a 3. Then they want us to simplify it by writing it just in math. How's that going so far? Remembering all the stuff from 3rd grade? It's pretty good. We're on to number 4. Number 4. Okay, number 4 says you can also show multiplicative comparisons as connected bars in a model. Complete the description and equations for each model. So this is one square with 5 in it. And this has how many squares? 1, 2, 3. So 3 times as many as the first model. So how many in all do we have? Because it's 3 times 5. What's 3 times 5? 15. And the word is an equal sign. So 15 equals 3 times 5. Okay, we have one more. This has one box with 3 stars in it. The next model has how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times as many as the first model. So I see how it says 5 times right there. I keep it so I make it match. I keep the 5 right there. 5 times 3 is 15, and the word is an equal sign, so 15 is 5. Times is just a 3. Just as a multiplication symbol, times 3. Turn the page. We're on 111. At the very bottom, number 2. 111 at the very bottom, number 2. All right, it says draw 5 groups of 4 stars. So you're going to draw 5 circles. That's 5 groups. 5 groups. So 5 circles. And it says in each one of them is 4 squares. But we're just going to do X's because those are easier.
4.
Yep. 5 groups, 4 squares. Find the total. Okay, and it says find the total of them. So I have 5 times as many as 4 X's. I'm just going to do 4 is, and that's the answer. So times is Times. What?
We could count by 2s to get the answer.
Yeah, but it's already in groups of 5. So we'll just get count by 5 4 times. 5 times, and remember Times is a multiplication symbol. As 4, that means I'm just taking that number. The word is an equal sign. 5 times 4 is 20. And I label it as squares. But ours are actually X's. Because we went crazy on that. Turn the page. To number 3. Draw a group of 2 circles in the first box. Draw circles.
We could do circles.
Yeah, we can do circles on that one. Those are easier. And then 6 times as many. 6 times.
Is 12.
So draw your circles in there. And then we'll figure out the equation. Draw a group of 2 circles in the first box. Draw 6 times as many circles in the box to the right. Okay, now we're ready to figure out how many there are. Use the model to complete the sentence and multiplication equation. Times is 6 times as many as 2, and the word is an equal sign. 6 times 2 is what, Sawyer? 12. How's that going? Great. Let's do number 4. Complete the description and equations for each model. 4 circles are in one box. So how many boxes are below? 1, 2, 3. It has 3 times as many. So when I always say if it's 3 TIMES, I go find TIMES and I make sure that the 3 is there. So it matches, it's identical. 3 times as many as 4. What's 4 times 3? 12. And the word is the same thing as an equal sign. 12 equals 3 times 4. Easy peasy. Let's do the next one. How many, here's a unit with 3 circles inside of it. How many is below? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. When the 4 is next to the times, I always keep the 4 next to TIMES, just like that. And the word is an equal sign. 4 times 3 is what, Hank?
12.
12. So 12 equals 4 times 3.
It's basically
How did that
the
go?
same as the last one.
Oh, wow.